土豆泥拌面，香浓。
Oh, sorry.
How you doing? Wow. A little bit fancy. Wow. I'm at like a fair. That's impressive.
面筋
It's called a spicy sausage-looking tofu. Actually, it doesn't taste too bad. It's probably not as good as sausage to me, but still pretty good.
土豆泥拌面也太香了。
Oh, sorry.
How you doing? Wow. A ton of spicy. This time I've had chicken on a stick here. I've only had lamb or beef or lamb or beef. This one. That tastes really good. It's like KFC chicken. Looks like bone marrow. Is that what it is? Kind of like what we had in Melbourne,
Yeah.
except there's no alcohol
他
running
继
down
续
it.
暗示，我继续忽视。
Very tasty. Yeah, no way.
You have to tell them how you think.
It's quite pretty good. Actually, maybe I check this out. So it looks like a mussel burger. What do you reckon? Better than Hungry Jack's? I think I might try one. You are much better at videoing than me. I'm gonna try it now. Is it better than McDonald's? Is it better than Hungry Jack? Is it better than the cheeseburger place near your uni?
It's not bad.
Ah, it's okay. It's okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. How much marketplace is there? We went around the corner. When we went around the corner, there's more. What? Yeah. I realised that anything on a stick generally tastes pretty good. Lamb, chicken, tendons, tofu, everything on a stick.
That
Beautiful.
means you just like Chinese barbecue.
Must be what it means. I like Chinese barbecue.
转过去了。
Let's give it a whirl. I love dragon fruit, and especially the red one. It just tastes like drinking dragon fruit straight out of the thing with a bit of water in it. Not bad. You want to try? What?
Pork intestine.
That is disgusting. Oh, yeah.
妈别再哄了。
I'm gonna run out. Thank you.
花瓶他想要皮卡丘。
没白哄。
Yeah, smashed tea.
你尝一口不？
Stop it.
That actually tastes really good.
Baby, this is your school.
My school.
Yeah.
Is that the fruit? I think I'm going to go to kindergarten. Don't laugh at me.
Do you enjoy it?
I am. It's give me something to do on the way home. Look at this part, and this is the front of the truck,
Yeah.
the Optimus, but I don't know what to do here. This doesn't make any sense.